The 4500V, the best one on the market that everyone recommends. Which is recommended by all the UP masters. It must be PPF. Some people may use or MKS as PPF to sell, because there is a little price difference between them. That's okay. The PPF 4500V must be the best one. So why do I talk about it in this video? Because it has been updated to a newer version. In fact, the new version, it could be discussed in the green bubble. But I still need to make a short video to explain, because there are differences. Later, others may think that, just like what the three people just said, don't let others think it's MKS or 8F, or other lower versions. Passing off inferior goods as good, so I need to explain it. So what has been mainly updated? First is the calendar. The left one is the old version, and the right one is the new version. The calendar is thicker, right? 2 3s. If your eyesight is good enough, you can see it very directly. The calendar on the right is a little thicker. Why is it updated? There must be benefits. It's closer to the original version, right? And the others is the way to adjust the calendar. Let's take a look at the old one. Unscrew the crown down. It is a screwed-in type, which means it has a certain waterproof function. Just wind it directly, right? Pull the knob to the right and up to adjust the calendar, right? It doesn't go down. It's just a free rotation. Okay, then let's look at the new version. The new version is operated in the same way. Turn the crown down to loosen it. Pull the knob to the right. Up is click 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 click, right? I don't know if this will break it. Pull down to adjust the calendar. Okay. Pull the knob to the right. Forward is reverse direction. Pull down to reverse, and it goes forward. This is the same as the old version. The old version is the same, right? The difference is here. First, the calendar's front looks like. The calendar has become thicker. It's thicker, then the direction of adjusting the calendar has changed. It's reversed. It becomes reverse adjustment. Right, and then there's an automatic rotor. Its rotor was originally more yellow, but now it has become lighter. A little bit lighter. The color of this tourbillon. Let's compare them, right? The color has also changed. Then there is the position of the balance. It's now at the 7 o'clock position. It's now at the 7 o'clock position. It used to be at about 6 o'clock. It's at 6 o'clock. Right, at 6 o'clock. That's also a difference. It can be said to be an upgraded version of V2. Okay, it's upgraded. In these aspects, there are no other differences. The workmanship is still the sealing of PPF. As for the original one, as far as I know, the calendar adjustment is not reversed. The original version is still up. I don't know why they made this change. Maybe they changed the position of the balance wheel of the movement, and they had to do it. It's also possible. Okay. What I'm going to talk about today is this. It's upgraded to V2, and it still has quick release, and the PPF factory has several versions, and a black one. And there are also quick release and tape versions.